guys, it's Cheryl from Sunny Ray and Creations, and I got a request to do basically an offset text in Photoshop. So today that's what we're going to be doing. That's actually my preferred way to do an offset. I feel like it's just super quick and easy, especially if I'm using Cricut. The only time I don't use it is if I'm using my Silhouette Cameo machine, because if I do that, I just do it right in the software because that's easy as well. But if I'm going to be doing a cut file on my Cricut machine, I design everything in Photoshop. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down and you're going to open Photoshop. You are going to create a new file, make it the size you want. I think we can leave it like that. Create new. I always do mine also in 300 pixels, basically 300 DPI. It just makes it a nice quality, and it won't make anything blurry. You won't get the rough edges. So that's what I do. And then you're gonna go to create, and boom, now we have our template. I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay, so once you open up Photoshop, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over here, select the text tool, type your text out. I'm gonna just do my name, Cheryl. So make that bigger so you guys can see what I'm doing, just like this. And over here is where I have all my character things, so I could change the color of my font if I want. So I think I'll change it to like a pink color, because why not? Pink is cute. So yes, we'll do like a nice pink, a mauve pink color like this. If you guys do not see this in your Photoshop, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to Windows here. You're going to drop down and make sure you select character. And then it might not pop up right here. It might pop up over here. And then what you'll do, you'll just take it and you'll drag it over here. And that way it will stay here. But alrighty. So once you have this, what you're going to do is the background, we need to delete that because we want a PNG image. So the eyeball, we're going to click that. Then we're going to file. We're going to save as. And we could change it to a PNG. And then I'm going to do Cheryl. I'm going to save. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do, now we need to add the outline to our name. So you could go here, you could do it two ways. You could double click this. That's the easiest way for me. Or you could come down here where it says FX. You could click that, go to blending options, and it'll bring up the same screen. So what we need to go do here is we need to go to the one that says stroke. So we're going to check that. And then make sure we have it highlighted. This is going to be our settings. Now here you could change the color of your stroke. It doesn't really matter if you're doing like a cut file. Because you'll just be cutting the layers into whatever color you want. But so that will leave black. But if you're doing a print and cut, you want to make sure you have your text and your outline of color you're going to be printing it out. So mine, I will leave black. Then right here, you want to make sure it is on the outside, and the blend mode is going to be normal, opacity 100%. Okay, and then this right here is how you change the thickness of your outline. Now, my thickness depends on what I'm actually doing, because I could use this method to either do just an outline of my text. So basically, for whatever project I'm doing, I could have 2 layers of like vinyl. So I could have like, this will be a pink layer of vinyl and this will be a black layer of vinyl, and I'll put it on whatever I'm doing, my cup, my keychain, whatever I'm doing. Or so in that case, I would do it a little bit thinner. I don't want it too thick. But say I want to do a knockout text, I will make it thicker. And a knockout text is basically, I will have my name, the color I want, and then the black part we're going to be deleting. So I'm gonna hit OK to show you guys what I mean. And I'm gonna do the background. So for this, I'm gonna change this to a pattern overlay so you guys can see what I'm talking about for that. And we could do, hold on. So real quick, I'm not really showing you guys what I'm doing, but Kind of am, but not really. Okay. So, for a knockout text, basically what a knockout text is I would basically take this. So this will be, the sunflower would be like my printable vinyl. And then this would be my name. So what I want to do is I want to create empty space. So I want to have my name stand out more. I don't want to just put my name directly on the vinyl. Like I don't want this. Because that just, you can't really see my name. So what we're going to do for that, so what a knockout text does is you would basically delete part of your vinyl. So I would take my text, I would select it all. So I would go select all my text, and then I would delete it from my pattern vinyl. So then I would select this layer, delete, and boom. Now this is the knockout text. You see how there's nothing here? So I use that black outline from my name and I deleted parts of my vinyl. That's what a knockout text is. So you could do it like that, or you could actually leave it so it has two layers. It's up to you. But basically this technique I use for both ways. But yeah, so after you do your, now back to the actual video, you will go back to your stroke and you will save this as, I'm going to do a PNG again, and then I'm going to do my name too. Okay, so now we have those saved. We can exit out of Photoshop. And now I'm going to go into my Cricut design space and show you guys. Oh, I have to sign in, so give me a second. Okay, so once you open Cricut design space, you're going to go to new project. And then you're going to go to upload, browse, and you're going to find your names. Basically, the tutorial is over. I'm just showing you guys how to use it, how it looks. Save, and then we're going to upload the other one. Browse. We're going to do Sherelle 2. Continue. And we're going to do save as a cut image. And you're going to select these two, insert images. And now we have our name in two things. So this will change the color to, again, the pink. This we're going to take, send to the back. And boom. Now you have your outline. And like I said, you could use this method to either have to double layer your vinyl, or you could do a knockout text. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys have recommendations for any type of other videos you would like, whether it's Cricut related, silhouette related, even Photoshop tips, I am more likely to help. I also be doing more DIYs. I know I want to do more keychains and badge reels and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.